There's better people in East London. Like, who's that guy of Kaizer Chiefs?
Omen B.
That guy, Omen B. Maybe he can be a better opponent in the near future.
Hey.
See, maybe if because maybe we'll be fighting in March, April next year. And then after that, maybe by July season, and was maybe Saturday and naturals. And then after I start by July or first weeks of August, bring
Hey.
yeah, bring me. And then after.
Ukho umfana apho ingcibi. Khona umfana oyingcibi othetha kakhulu. Ekuthiwa nguSiko. Wayesemdantsane. Nixelela la Siko. Kuba ndithi njengoba bethetha kakhulu nje ixesha lifikile ngoku. Nge-13 kaDisemba iring izabe imile phaa eOrient Beach. Iring izabe imile. Uthetha kakhulu uSiko. Ngicela uSiko ezapha. Ibhlukwe ezawugcwala umoya.